What was meant to be the beginning of a hopeful new chapter for a young doctor couple from Rajasthan turned into an unspeakable tragedy. As the Air India Flight 171 they boarded with their 3 children crashed seconds after takeoff on Thursday, killing nearly everyone on board. Dr. Pratik Joshi and his wife, Dr. Komi Vyas, has dreamed of starting a new life together as a family in the UK. But that dream was cut cruelly short when the aircraft en route to London Gatwick from Ahmedabad crashed just 32 seconds after takeoff, erupting into a fireball after plummeting and colliding with a building near the airport. Of the 242 people aboard, only one survived. Several people on the ground also lost their life in the catastrophic impact. Now a final image has surfaced, a heartbreaking selfie taken by Dr. Joshi moments before takeoff. It has become a haunting symbol of a family's joy and anticipation moments before their lives were tragically cut short. In the photo, Dr. Joshi and Dr. Vyas are seen seated together on one side of the aisle, smiling warmly, while the 3 children, 8-year-old daughter Miraya and 5-year-old twin sons Nakul and Pradyut, sit across them, equally excited for the journey ahead. Their smiles reflected the hope and excitement of a family ready to reunite and begin afresh in a new country. A family's final journey, according to the reports. Dr. Vyas has recently resigned from her position at a hospital in Udaipur, preparing to relocate to United Kingdom to join her husband, who has already settled in London. Just days before the crash, Dr. Joshi had thrown back to Banswara, his hometown in Rajasthan, to bring his wife and children with him to begin their new life together abroad. They had left Ahmedabad just yesterday to board their flight to London, said Nayan, a cousin of Dr. Joshi. Pratik had come to Banswara only 2 days earlier to accompany Komi and the children. Many of our family members have gone to the airport to see them off. It was such a happy moment for all of us, said her cousin. But that joy was short-lived. Catastrophic failure. Flight AI-171 departed Ahmedabad International Airport with no reported issues at first, but within seconds, the aircraft failed to gain altitude and began descending rapidly. According to early reports, it collided with a commercial building, igniting a massive fireball. Emergency services rushed to the site, but the construction was overwhelming. Only 1 passenger survived and dozens more perished on the ground as the aircraft tore through the building. Investigators are now working to determine the exact cause of the crash. Black box data and voice recordings are being analyzed, and preliminary theories range from mechanical failure to engine malfunction. But a heartbreaking reminder. The selfie, now widely circulated online and in media reports, is more than just a photo. It is a poignant and painful reminder of the fragility of life. It shows a young couple and their children full of hope, unaware of their dreams would end in a devastation within minutes. Friends, colleagues and family members across Rajasthan are mourning the loss. At the hospital in Udaipur, where Dr. Vyas worked, grief hangs heavy. Her colleagues reminded her as compassionate, dedicated and full of life. Dr. Joshi, who specialized in internal medicine, has reportedly been working at a London hospital and was eager to reunite with his family. This was not just a professional move, it was the beginning of a dream, said a family friend. They were finally going to be together, start fresh and give their children new opportunities. It's beyond heartbreaking. Now, the aftermath. The Indian government has announced an inquiry into the crash, while the airline has begun reaching out to the families of the victims to offer support. Memorial services are being planned and tributes continue to pour in from across the country. As the investigation unfolds, the tragic story of Dr. Joshi, Dr. Vyas and the children has captured the nation's heart. The final image, taken in joy, shared in grief, remains a powerful statement to a life full of promise, ended too soon. That's all for now in the story. Stay tuned to the Savera, download the app and go follow us on every social media platform.